Dogs surely are a man's first-class friend, in addition to a woman's, teenagers, child's, and, you guessed it, babies. Yes, canines are the quality when it comes to shielding your little ones, as well as imparting them their first real revel in of real friendship. In fact, maximum puppies are able to forming relationships with younger children, and typically respond extremely positively, get it? Sadly, there are some dogs that aren't too awesome with infants, but thankfully it's sincerely handiest to choose few breeds. So, let's take a look at 10 canine breeds which are best for being around toddlers. 1. Poodle. Poodles have a popularity for being instead feisty and might often have temper swings and awful days. However, with youngsters, this is surely no longer the case, with the poodle famous for being brilliant, protective and affectionate to infants. Yes, poodles make exceptional own family dogs and get along fantastic with new toddlers and toddlers. Poodles also are very intelligent, consequently they recognize that if they're fine to the toddler, their proprietor would possibly pay off the prefer in treats. The breed also can study very well, which is superb for a change inside the environment and new policies that would disrupt the canine's normal habits. 2. Golden Retriever. Got a huge brood? Get a Golden Retriever. Much like their cousins the Labrador, Golden Retrievers are exceptional family puppies and experience being around a multitude of human beings. In fact, for Golden Retrievers, a larger circle of relatives means greater attention, so the bigger the family the better the petting. The dogs are also amazing with youngsters and may just about put up with something because of their massive size. That's right, from tail tugging to fur scratching, the Golden Retriever is rather patient and can address younger children far higher than a smaller canine should. Yes, they in reality are certainly one of the satisfactory puppies at the planet. 3. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are on the whole regarded for their intelligence in addition to their paintings with regulation enforcement. That's right, the breed usually works within the police force and may be brilliant at helping the public with catching pesky thieves. However, they are additionally very good with young infants, mainly due to their instinctive defensive nature. German Shepherds like to protect, consequently they may do their very great to prevent anything bad from going close to your newborn. Furthermore, they also can feel chance, so if something is inaccurate with your infant, you'll be the primary to realize approximately it. 4. Newfoundland. The larger the dog, the better the canine. Newfoundlands might appearance intimidating, however inside they're the biggest softies inside the whole wide international. It is straightforward to suppose twice approximately setting your toddler in the front of one, or even near one, but Newfoundlands have a reputation for loving younger kids and doing their fine to defend them. In fact, the dogs are pleasant with most humans and are more of a gentle massive than a big burly beast. Yes, as soon as you invite a Newfoundland into your home, you'll have a first-rate friend and protector for as long as they're capable of provide it to you. 5. Cocker Spaniel. The Cocker Spaniel comes in some of one-of-a-kind shapes and sizes, all of them extraordinarily adorable. The canine is thought for having friends in high locations and often capabilities most of the royal household inside the UK. In fact, Prince William and Kate Middleton are a huge fan of the canine and currently own a black spaniel named Ludo. Prince William and Kate Middleton additionally have 3 kids, consequently it seems clear that the Cocker Spaniel is a best desire for a growing own family. If it's K for the future King of England, then it must be greater than OK for each other family within the global. 6. Boxer. Forget about the name, boxers are unlike wearing boxers, and would as an alternative cuddle than punch someone. Yes, boxers are the gentlest of souls and now not aggressive inside the slightest. In fact, boxers are super with youngsters, generally because of their energetic character and playfulness. And for newborns, boxers tend to protect toddlers in case of threat and can be very defensive. Overall, boxers have a tendency to get very attached to their family and go great lengths for you to serve them. Plus, they're first-rate with other puppies too, and seldom bark or shout at passing animals. What's no longer to like? 7. French Bulldog. French Bulldogs are popular with every person at the moment, but did that they make simply superb companions for younger children. That's right, French Bulldogs may be very protective, as a substitute uncommon trait for a small canine. Plus, they're additionally incredibly patient and might resist loud noises and wayward touching. In fact, the breed is a defend canine by means of nature, therefore guarding and defensive comes very easy to them. They also are very loving and generally tend to stay close to their proprietors and their proprietors' toddlers. You understand, simply in case you want them in a time of hazard. 8. Beagle. Beagles are not handiest cute, however they are additionally loyal, kind, and extremely happy. Yes, beagles continually have a smile on their face, or at the least what looks like a grin anyway. In fact, the beagle is often voted as the primary exceptional canine breed for families with masses of kids, as they respond nicely to noise. They additionally like older kids too, score. And, simply to make things that bit higher, they may be also pretty smart and are referred to for their extraordinary experience of smell. A canine this is intelligent and beautiful to look at, what extra may want you want? 9. Labrador. Labradors regularly pop up on maximum favorite dog lists and are extremely popular all around the world. The dog is also considered one of the satisfactory own family puppies within the international and has no trouble hanging around toddlers, young children, teenagers, or adults. In fact, the more the merrier with the Labrador, as they experience large households and plenty of attention. The breed is also very compassionate and may consolation young children with studying problems or autism. Plus, the Labrador is very smart and is the primary working dog with things which include guiding for blind and those who are physically impaired. 10. Collie. Everybody loves a collie, a lot in order that the breed often seems in books, television shows, and films. Lassie, anyone. Collies are also extremely excitable and are regarded for being highly child-pleasant, especially with newborns. In fact, collies are often nicknamed caregivers due to their affectionate character and act as a form of comfort to a young child. Collies can also come to be attached to their proprietors, an attachment that is then passed right down to their proprietors' kids. Plus, collies are recognized for his or her adaptability, and respond nicely to new guidelines and regulations, like a newborn or a second child.